Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering both devices, charge the Gen Tek earbuds above 50% and leave the case open. On your iPhone, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so the menu is ready. Keep the screen unlocked. Put the earbuds into pairing mode by holding the pairing button for 3 to 5 seconds until the LED flashes. This active mode advertises the device. Once it's visible to the phone, you can move quickly to select it from the list. Don't close the case or exit settings yet. Once the earbuds are advertising, look under Other Devices for the Gen Tek name and tap it. The iPhone will attempt to pair. If a permission or PIN prompt appears, allow access and use 0000 only if asked. Most models auto-accept. After pairing, check the Bluetooth entry shows connected and confirm media audio and call audio toggles are on. Make sure volume is at a moderate level. Play a short track to verify left/right channels. If stereo is off, toggle Bluetooth off and on quickly. You finish by testing both music and a phone call. This confirms microphone routing and channel balance. If audio is missing or one bud is silent, forget the Gen Tek device in Bluetooth, restart your iPhone, then reset the earbuds to factory settings. Hold the main buttons for about 10 seconds until LEDs cycle. Once done, repeat the pairing steps. If problems persist, ensure firmware is updated via the Gen Tek app or contact support. Keeping batteries charged prevents connection drops and intermittent audio.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.